Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Google TV streamer 4K device to Samsung Galaxy S25 and watch movies and shows. See, here I can browse content from the Google TV streamer 4K device using this remote. I will show you how we can set up this, what are the components required, how we can connect all these components together. See, these are the components required: Google TV streamer 4K device, Samsung Galaxy S25, Pi box video capture unit, USB to USB Type-C adapter, remote controller of this Google TV streamer 4K, HDMI cable, power cable for this Google TV streamer. See, we can connect this USB to USB Type-C adapter to Pi box video capture unit like this. Then here on the back side of this video capture unit, you can see HDMI port. Here we can connect this HDMI cable. Okay, done. Let me connect this video capture unit to mobile phone. Done. After that, in mobile phone we need to install this app, USB camera app. You can install this app from Google Play Store. I already installed this app. Let me open this app. Tap on OK. So if you are seeing blank screen, you can just press any button on the remote. See, now we can browse. See, we can select movie or show and we can watch it. So next I will show you the setting of this app. Just tap anywhere on the screen. Tap on the settings icon. Here we can change resolution. See, we have two options, HD, Full HD. Let me change to Full HD. Tap on save. See. Again go to settings. We can change frame rate, video format, flip settings, brightness, contrast, saturation. These things we can adjust. Let me close this. If you want to take a screenshot from movie or show, you can use this screenshot button. See, saved picture. If you want to record movie or show, you can use this video record button. Tap here. See, start recording. If you want to stop, you can again tap here and stop. Okay. So this way we can connect this Google TV streamer 4K device to Samsung Galaxy S25. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.